6:43, good news. We finally did not tie a record high or break a record high yesterday, but that has been all too common this summer and really the last several summers. And when you look at record highs compared to record lows, going back to the 1960s, 70s, this is for McAllen, but pretty representative of the entire valley. We used to set about equal number of record highs and record lows. You had about an equal chance of seeing both. In the 70s, we actually had more record lows than record highs, but starting in the 80s, not so much. There have been way more record highs, especially the last 10 years. Since 2010, look how few record lows there have been. It's become very rare. Keep in mind, if we were to be at record lows this time of year, we would have temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. When was the last time we saw that? We were in the upper 60s late July. We got close to tying some record lows, but it's mainly been record highs. We spend most of our time with above normal temperatures, so we have more opportunities to see record highs than record lows. The good news is I don't think we're going to see any record highs today or in the days ahead. Temperatures are still going to be above normal, but the reason we're probably not at record levels is because there is a rain chance. You can see how it's unsettled in the Gulf. I still think there's going to be more activity in the eastern Gulf than the western Gulf, but you can see the activity offshore for us. And that's a sign that we're going to get a sea breeze today. Isolated showers and storms. In fact, I think there's going to be a little bit more rain than yesterday. Not a lot more, but a little bit. I think the sea breeze will start around 11 a.m. very late this morning, mainly right along the coast. Activity will probably peak around 3 o'clock or so this afternoon. 2, 3, 4 o'clock is usually when we see the peak of activity. It's already usually at that point starting to die down in Cameron-Williston County and transitioning to Hidalgo County. But notice some activity making it into Starr County as well. By 7, 8 o'clock, though, that's probably going to be it. Jump ahead to tomorrow. Anything change? I really don't think it is. I think the rain chance is exactly the same tomorrow as today. It'll start around 11 a.m. It'll peak around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon with the activity pushing into the upper valley. And then around 7, 8 o'clock, it's going to die down. So rain chances, cloud cover are going to be about the same, and therefore temperatures are going to be about the same as well. Today, we bumped all these rain chances up 10%. That's all we could do, but we do have a 10% chance out Rio Grande City, Falcon Lake. At least you have a chance today. It's not a great chance. You're much more likely to stay dry, but I do think a few showers will push their way into western Starr County. 20% chance for McAllen, Edinburg, Weslaco. 30% chance for Harlingen, Brownsville, Port Isabel, South Padre. As usual, the better chance near the coast. And not a guarantee you're going to see rain, but you do have the best opportunity. That said, temperatures, unless you see some rain, I think we're going to hit around 99. And the feels like temperatures are going to be worse than yesterday, ranging between 106 to as high as 111. The humidity even worse than yesterday. So it's going to feel hotter unless you get some rain. We do have a little better chance of rain today. Winds a little bit weaker, just 10 to 15 miles per hour. I don't think we're going to see many gusts to 20, maybe near the coast, but that's about it. Dry tonight, just partly cloudy skies, another muggy night, maybe a degree cooler, maybe than yesterday, but really about the same. And honestly, our temperatures are looking very uniform for the next week. You can kind of track the humidity by looking at overnight lows. Look how the humidity actually gets worse. Overnight lows Friday night and Saturday night around 80 degrees. And therefore, we're going to keep those high temperatures a little above normal for this time of year, 98 and 99 degrees. 30% chance of rain Saturday, 20% Sunday. Completely dry again on Tuesday on your first Warm 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll be right back after this break.